These gingerbread pancakes are soft, fluffy buttermilk pancakes with lots of warming Christmas flavours. They make the perfect Christmas Day breakfast. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I love to cook something a little bit special for Christmas Day breakfast or brunch, usually when all the presents have been opened and the kids are settling down to play with the toys and games. I get a bit of Christmas music on and whip up these Christmas pancakes. They really do taste like Christmas in every single bite. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by combining all the dry ingredients. To a large bowl, add 180 grams, which is 1.5 cups, of plain all-purpose flour, along with a tablespoon each of baking powder and bicarbonate of soda, 2 tablespoons each of dark brown sugar and granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon each of dried ginger and cinnamon. We're also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Mix that all together until combined. Now we're going to add in a large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, the zest of a lemon, and 190 ml, which is about 3/4 cup of buttermilk. And mix it all together until combined. Once combined, we're going to add in 120 ml, which is 1/2 cup of milk, and stir it all together with the whisk. And then once we've got to this consistency, the pancake batter's done. Now we're going to add a small knob of butter to a frying pan over a medium heat. And once that butter's melted, we're going to brush it over the base of the pan so we've got a nice, thin, even layer of butter on there. Now we're going to grab a ladle and start adding the batter to the pan. I'm going to make about 2 pancakes per batch just so I can make nice big pancakes and so they're easier to turn in the pan. And then we're going to cook those for about 2 to 3 minutes before turning over. So when they get to this stage, come and have a look. When they've got bubbles forming on top and the edges look a little bit dry, then they're ready to turn over. Flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. So once they're done, we're going to add them to a warm plate and then place them in the oven on its lowest setting to keep warm while we make the rest of the pancakes. Repeat with the rest of the mixture until all the pancakes are cooked. Okay, now we're ready to serve. I like to serve mine up with some fresh fruit and maybe a few defrosted cranberries. They're a little bit tart though, so beware. Plus plenty of maple syrup. I also like these little tiny gingerbread cake toppers because they look so cute. And since it's Christmas, let's go all out and sprinkle on some edible gold glitter as well. So that's what I'm going to be making for Christmas Day breakfast. What are you going to make? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to check out my top 10 tips for making Christmas Day dinner an easy one. See you over there, and happy Christmas.